Hi everyone. Ever copied something on your computer and wished you could paste it again later? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open and use the Windows 10 Clipboard to access everything you've copied. The Windows 10 Clipboard stores text and images you copy. By default, it only remembers the last item, but with Clipboard history turned on, you can view and reuse multiple copied items anytime. To open the Clipboard Manager, press the Windows key and the V key at the same time on your keyboard. If this is your first time opening it, you'll see a prompt to turn Clipboard history on. Just click Turn On to activate it. Now start copying text or images like normal. Each new item you copy will appear in the Clipboard history. To paste something from your Clipboard history, press Windows key and V again, then click the item you want to use. The clipboard can store multiple items, but it clears when you restart your computer. If there's something you want to keep, click the pin icon so it stays saved. To clear items, click the three dots next to any entry and select Delete, or choose Clear All to remove everything at once. And that's how you open and use the Windows 10 Clipboard. Thanks for watching.